Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news the global service sector is in reasonable shape, helping generate new impetus to the world's economy. Equity markets are riding the wave. In China, their private Caixin Services PMI brought some good solid news. There was little change in April from the expansion in March, but now the 16th straight month of expansion in their services sector. This private survey reports a faster expansion than the official version. Of special note is that new business grew the most in nearly a year and the fastest since May 2023. Foreign sales are rising the most in 10 months. According to the combined factory and services PMIs, the Eurozone expanded its fastest in a year in April. In fact, their services expansion was faster than either China, Japan or the US. Their new business volumes rose for a second consecutive month and at its quickest pace since May last year. Only India is expanding faster amongst the major global economies. In Australia, the Melbourne Institute Monthly Inflation Monitor for April found an increase in monthly inflation there, and Aussie job ads rose in April somewhat unexpectedly, halting a longish retreat. All eyes will now be on the RBA at 4:30 New Zealand time and their monetary policy review. They have a history of occasionally acting differently to what markets expect, so there is some market pricing tension about what they'll come up with. The main risk is that they will be more hawkish than expected, given their sticky inflation levels. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.49% and down 2 basis points from yesterday, and the price of gold will start today up $24 at $2,325 an ounce. And oil prices have stayed down at just under $78 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $83 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today unchanged from yesterday at just over 60.1 US cents. Against the Aussie, they were softer at 90.7 Australian cents. Against the euro, a little change to 55.8 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 69.3 and unchanged from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.